Good evening, everyone. My name is Avinash. I represent a business called Mahati Market Essentials. We are specialized in executing exhibitions and conferences. We always say we are MICE tourism specialists. In MICE tourism, specifically, business tourism plays a very important role. Globally, business tourism constitutes more than 70% of travel. In fact, if you want me to say, it's almost like $1.8 trillion industry, and it is a global industry, and we are proudly saying that we contribute more than 18% of employment at a global level. But thanks to pandemic, last 2 years we had a terrific time. This is one of those industries which has been hit badly, and we were trying to figure out what would be the option for us to revive, what would be the option for us to survive. At this point of time, we started thinking how we can improve our business or how we can ensure that our business continuity happens. From that moment, we started looking at hybrid events or identifying hybrid opportunities in the form of conferences or exhibitions. From that same thought, when we were identifying a challenge in the society, which is that is because of pandemic, people are not able to meet each other. What happened is India has more than 79% of businesses which are small medium scale enterprises, and they strongly thrive only on relationship building and relationship marketing because they do not have great business budgets to promote. If we see Tata's, Birlas, Reliance, Amazons, they have huge budgets to promote their businesses and services. But small scale industries always struggle because having very limited resources. Hence, networking is something which always helps their business grow. And we wanted to create a platform which is going to address that small challenge, which is going to be a big opportunity for people where they can end up meeting 200 to 500 plus business people who are under one roof from various industries. And what happens is when a person opens his contact spheres or connections and interacts with more than 200 or 250 plus business people, opportunities get generated. Because we always believe that 90% of times when business connections or referrals come from our known sources, the conversion ratio is much higher. Because depending on leads or digital marketing is one side of it, but networking always helped a business to survive faster. So with this, a thought of networking marathon emerged, and today we are having our season 2 at Novotel again on 26th, 27th and 28th of August, where we had another 150 plus delegates registering themselves. Season 1 happened in first week of August at the same place, that is HICC, and we were happy to have that more than 400 plus business opportunities were created among 150 plus members. Business we don't know, but at least every person was able to walk away with more than 15 solid connections, and those connections are going to help them at least bring back their hope, which is helping their business to come back on track. With this initiative, we are only looking to take this particular platform not only at a state level but also go at a national level and international level. We are very proud to have partners like Telangana Tourism, NSIC, MSME is going to support us in a big way, and also a lot of associations who are coming forward to support us. Now, this support is only helping us to strengthen our intent and our initiative to help every entrepreneur at whatever scale, could be a proprietor, could be a director, could be a startup company who is looking to survive and grow, to take their business with minimal cost at a national level and global level. We would like to seek your support where we are trying to come to your respective cities. Our calendar is like we are coming to Udaipur, we are coming to Pune, we are coming to Chennai, we are coming to Bangalore, and there is no stopping. Maybe whenever markets open up, we would like to take our own opportunities to reach out to international countries as well. We have so many consultants on board who are going to help entrepreneurs to reach out to buyers, who would like to reach out to new associations and explore buyers. Now, today, sitting out of home, thanks to technology and thanks to opportunity to connect globally, we can take our businesses anywhere to any corner with ease. So with this initiative, Networking Marathon, we would like to take your support and also come to your respective cities and grow our businesses. Networking Marathon has one simple motive: to bring business back on track, and we would like to take your support as well. Thank you so much. Avinash signing off from Mahati Market Essentials, Hyderabad.